0372. No, 0372.
15383.
There's the piece tape.
Yes, sir. And I'm one of America's people. Right now you're on the Ford Iroquois County line.
Okay.
We're on Ford County.
Okay.
Road split.
You've actually got a second payload.
It would be nice if I could get this one little piece.
You guys had it together.
Yeah.
How much tape did you put on here?
There you go.
I don't think we needed this much.
Okay.
That's from 100,000 feet looking down there.
Oh, wow. Amazing.
Yep.
So unplug all the USB?
Yeah. Unplug the tractor too. How much
No, I'm glad and I know who's attached to this.
And our water is still there.
Yep.
So I'm curious if it froze. The internal camera will let us know what happened.
Looks like one of the things unplugged here.
That's probably from when you opened it.
Probably.
Where do you think the other one's at?
Oh, they're still. We got to pull it up online and head that direction. The last time we checked, it was just above 100,000 feet. So it takes 51, so it popped. So from peak altitude, it takes about 20 minutes for the payloads to come back to the air. This is free falling. The parachute doesn't really work until about 40,000 feet.
Okay.
So it's.
So what's that parachute made out of?
It's just nylon. It's all about weight.
There's a weight limit for